Hi, I'm Patrick Moloney and I'm Director for Sustainability Consulting at Ramboll. Circular economy oftentimes is difficult to explain, but it shouldn't really be, particularly for the built environment. It's essentially about materials, material flows, focusing on some core principles such as design out waste. 80% to 90% of waste actually emanates from how one designs in the first place. Designing for adaptability, longevity, aiming to be regenerative, using waste as a resource, such as particularly a focus on secondary raw materials, but also focusing on the economics element of it with respect to capturing and creating value. We're not doing very much with respect to the built environment and circular economy. I think there's a disconnect with respect to a decarbonisation of the built environment and circular economy. Circular economy as a phrase remains fluffy and abstract, and it shouldn't. So the first thing is to create a unified definition and then connect it to the decarbonisation of the built environment. Because ultimately it's about materials. It should dominate, but actually is still quite peripheral. I think we look at it through a number of dimensions. But first, you can't change the world building by building. So we understand that it's the entity, the enterprise, the state, national agency that needs to change and have circular principles integrated into their business model first and foremost. And then, of course, using our engineering expertise, integrating it into project delivery, project design, construction practices, etc. And then the third element is connected to the other two, but not also, is the focus on value. We understand that to really transition, senior management and boards of companies need to understand the monetary value that's attributed to the transition, and regulation on its own may not be enough. So we have to focus on the economic element of circular economy, because that's where you get real pull from senior management, board, shareholders, investors, etc.